This is a tutorial on how to create and use email templates in Gmail. This is a quick 3-step process that will help you to organize and manage your email inbox. Step 1. Enable templates. Open Gmail. At the top right, click Settings. Then select See All Settings. Click Advanced. In the Templates section, select Enable. At the bottom, click Save Changes. Step 2. Create the template. Open Gmail and click Compose. In the Compose window, enter your template text. I recommend already having the text saved in a Google Doc. This will make things error-free. Click More, then Templates. Choose an option. In this case we are creating a new template. Click Save Draft as Template. You'll get the option to name the template. Then save it as a new template. Step 3. Using a template. Open Gmail and click Compose. Click More, then Templates. Select the name of the template. You can then edit the template and select the recipient and then click Send.
If this video has helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you need my professional services as your email inbox manager, please click the link in the description to learn more. I look forward to hearing from you.